And now, to fully understand what is Klika and its ecosystem, let me call on our Chief of Mission, Mr. Mike Reyes.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, and thank you very much talaga for coming here, and we hope you will like what you will hear from us today. No? So, I'm here to tell you about the mission of Klika and what exactly this act is all about. Okay, so I am presenting to you a presentation that we give to our beneficiaries, and we tell them the problems that they encounter. Ang problem ng organized charity is only 75% of the people in the world donate, 75% give straight to the needy. Meaning, 75% give straight to beggars. Ang thinking nila kasi, hindi kasi 100% napupunta doon sa beneficiary. May mga admin costs, may mga kung anong costs, ganyan. But the point is, who's actually doing the helping every day? It is actually the organized charity. Yet, 25% lang ang nakukuha nila sa mga people who want to help. Tapos yung 25% pa na yun, they face competition with each other. Tapos, added to that, they all experience compassion and donor fatigue. Siyempre, kahit na gusto mo tumulong, pero araw-araw ka tumutulong, mapagod ka. Araw-araw ka nakakawa, mapapagod ka. So, with their problems, I actually talked to Here Life. Yan, yung nakikita nyo, Here Life Foundation. This is an Austrian foundation. And they have been asking me to help them. Ang ginagawa ng Here Life sa Philippines, yung mga bata na Pilipino na may hirap, na bingi, ino-operahan nila yun, they put an implant to these children. Each operation is cost 1.5 million. Pero ang logic nila doon, bakit? Porket mahirap ka ba? Hindi mo na maririnig ang buhay. Kaya ang pangalan nila Here Life. So, yan ang ginagawa nila. So, palagi pa ulit-ulit. Through the years, humihingi ng tulong sa akin yan. But now, the technology is available to help them. So next slide, please. So kami, we thought about Click plus Klika. It is a helping and earning app. So anong ibig sabihin ng helping and earning app? Pag tumutulong ka, meron kang incentives, cash, ganyan. And remember, ito yung presentation na binibigay namin sa beneficiaries. We tell them, let us give a commission to the people. Kasi, ano ba talaga ang Klika? Klika is leveraging on the digital world and talagang exponentially increasing the reach of microphilanthropy. There is another metric na 75%. So 25% na lang napupunta sa kanila. But all of these foundations, 75% ng 25% na yun comes from microphilanthropy. Lahat, pati Make-A-Wish, Habitat for Humanity, 75% ng revenue nila galing sa microphilanthropy. Ano yung microphilanthropy? Lata. Lata na nakikita natin sa mga grocery. Ano ang Klika? Lata na nilagay natin sa kamay ng bawat tao. Digital na siya. Okay? Next, please. So, by its nature, the app will make giving viral. Dahil siya app, it reaches thousands, even millions, in a few moments or a couple of hours. Again, hindi kagaya ng lata na nakatayo lang doon sa grocery. The app will make giving rewarding. Yung users ng app will perform actions on it that earn points for them, that they can redeem for rewards, prizes, and other incentives. Kanino magagaling yung mga prizes? Galing sa mga merchants. Mamaya, I will show that. And the app makes giving fun. Why did we do this? Kasi nga, daily exposure to poverty and suffering easily brings compassion fatigue. With Klika.ph, we only show the countless rewards for charitable distribution. Kasi, think about it. Kung araw-araw mo nakikita yung batang malaki ulo, diba? Yung pakong mahirap na putol yung paa, araw-araw mo nakikita, nakakapagod yun. Nakakaawa. Ang tinatawag doon sa charity world, look away. People look away from dire situations. So ito, in the app, we are replacing that. We are not showing the dire needs. We're not doing that. We are showing them, oh, gusto mo mag-contribute? Ito mga rewards. Okay? Next, please. So ito, this is the Klika process in very simple terms. Number one, you log in. Number two, pag log in mo, you will see that. That is your dashboard. Araw-araw, nakikita mo yung earnings mo dyan. Tumataas. Hindi bumababa yan. Kasi wala ka naman binibili sa app eh. So, tumataas yan. Paano tataas yan? Either with points you earn or the incentives you get from people who contribute to causes. So nakita mo may arrow dun sa number 2, pointing to boxes. So nakalagay dyan, claim today's bonus points, 100 points. In full fruition, ang nakalagay dyan, halimbawa, Coca-Cola, bonus points today, 100. Yan yung mga merchant. So nakikita mo, Coca-Cola, ganyan. Pag-click mo nun, if you want that 100 points, pag-click mo nun, may lalabas doon na cause. Either PGH, either Hope for the Aged, either kung ano-ano lalabas doon, tapos mag-donate ka. 100, 50 pesos, kahit ano gusto mo i-donate. Ngayon, pag nag-donate ka, you get points and you redeem these points. It's a very simple loop. Okay? So, yan yung basically yan lang. Makikita mo. Babalik ka dyan, araw-araw, titignan mo, tumataas yung points mo, yung earnings mo, tapos yung ilalim, nagbabago yan. Nagbabago, ano yan, Coca-Cola, 700 pesos from ganito, nagbabago yan. So, effectively, anong ginawa niya? Ang ginawa ng ginawa niyang motivation sa mga tao, it's like gamifying charity. Yan yung ginawa ng So, knowing the very simple process of the app, hindi siya kagaya ng ibang app na ang dami-dami mong pupuntahan. So, yan lang pinakasimple dyan. Pag-click mo yan, pupunta yan dun sa post, mag-donate ka, you earn points, ulit. Hindi ka ganyan. Tapos bukas, titignan ko na naman, uy, may nag-donate sa akin, ganito, points ko ba nag-increase? Yan lang. Now, this is the back end. Again, you have to see, you have to know that this presentation, binibigay namin sa beneficiaries. The back end. So, this is the back end. let's say there's a 100 peso contribution. The beneficiaries namin have agreed na 40% ang kanila. Okay? 40% sa Klika for platform maintenance and the general rewards pool. Kasi kung walang rewards pool, why will people come here? Why will they, diba, paano i-increase yung kita nila? And 20% goes to the source user. Ano yung source user yun? Ay, mali. Can we go back to the ano? Yan. Sorry. So kasi, the process there is, pagpasok ko doon sa app, may lalabas doon na, PGH. Dalawa option ko. Either I donate to it, or I share it in my network. When I share it, I get points. When I donate to it, I get points. Ngayon, sinyer ko. Si John, friend ko, nakita niya, he clicked what I shared and nag-donate siya. For whatever reason, nag-donate siya. I get 10% of that. Pumayag ang beneficiaries. Wala pa kaming nakausap na beneficiary na hindi pumayag din. Kasi malinaw nga sa kanila na itong data, nilagay na natin sa kamay ng mga tao. Okay? Ngayon, sabi ko nga, yung dinonate ni John, 10% na punta sa akin. Pero ba 20% nandyan? Kasi may additional incentives pa eh. To keep it engaging, we are going to design these incentives. I'll go to that later. So, what we are building here, with your help, we are building an ecosystem of beneficiaries, donors, merchants, and fundraisers. To do what? To help verified causes in an engaging way. Bakit engaging? Kasi wala mang fatigue. They will want to keep on doing this because they are earning rewards, points, and everything. Oh, dito pala. Okay, so here is our core team. Of course, you've met Miss Belen, and this is me. I'm chief of the mission. It is my watch that we stay on mission. No? And what is that mission? Yun na, technically. Lata sa kamay ng mga tao. Now, we have May. She is our lead in data management and cybersecurity. She is actually pursuing these specialties in Australia. And we have Alex Bernabe. She is our lead developer. She has made so many apps in the world as a contractor. Okay? So, what you're seeing here is solid tong app na to. Even with the logic, I'm sure you've attended mga daming app presentation na napakaraming slides ng app. Ito hindi ganito yun. Next please. Okay, so behind us, these are our team of partners, you know. So yan, halimbawa, maglalabas yung Etika, Insurance, De Los Santos Medical. Pag nakita mo sa dashboard mo, nakalagay doon, De Los Santos Medical is giving 500 extra points today up to 3 p.m. Oh, syempre, i-click mo yun. Diba? So, ganyan yun. That's how it works. And, wala na pala ako. That's it. No? Yun lang. We hope you become our partners in this because later on, I'm sure you have a lot of questions and we will answer all of that. And hindi to, this is not the end of our relationship together. Sabi nga ni Ms. Belen, we are really thankful that you are here because we really want us to make history together. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody.